Only those who are brave enough to compete in the dark will prevail upon stepping into the light. This is a scenario our Haribons know so well. And while it is given that this isn't an easy road, come with me as we discover our graduates even more. I am Michi Arachuela, and this is Kumustahan 2024, Episode 2.
Hi, I am Leah Isabel F. Ganad from the College of Nursing. This is my mother.
Kathy Ganad.
I'm Mark Christian Tungal, magna cum laude, and from Bachelor of Science Hospitality Management. This is my mother.
I'm Evelyn Rodela Tungal.
Hi, my name is Janela May Digma. My name is Mildred Asarcon, auntie and guardian of Janela May Digma.
So my name is Jeffrey Latina, and this is my mother.
Helen Latina, my son. Bunso.
I am Arian Andrea Conde. This is my mother.
I'm Annalisa Conde, mother of Arian.
Rico Noblesa.
And I am Erica L. Noblesa, the proud daughter of Rica Noblesa.
I'm Francis Mark Caico, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, summa cum laude po. Kasama ko of course my parents.
I'm Mrs. Margaret Caico.
And I'm his father from Ferdinand Caico.
Ano ba, Jeffoy?
Wala naman siya binabanggit kung anong pangarap niya. Sa gusto talaga niya maging sikat.
Lagi niya pong sinasabi na gusto niyang maging actually doktor. Gusto niyang manggamot ng mga tao na makatulong sa mga Pilipino.
Marami naman. Pero ang alam ko nung gusto niya maging flight steward.
Gusto lang niya maging pulis, ganyan. Pero iba naman yung kinuha niyang course ngayon. Iba yung tinapos niya.
Paglaki niya, doctor. Pero sa kagustuhan ko na IT kunin niya, yun na lang ang kinuha niya.
Ako ay natatandaan ko noon, ang gusto niya ay maging accountancy, di ba?
O fashion designer.
IT.
A Bachelor of Science in Architecture.
Computer Engineering.
Nursing po, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
I finished Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I was inspired by my tita who also finished a social work degree, and I witnessed yung kanyang mga stories and experiences while growing up na she helps people, especially children. Bata ako, hindi ko masyado siya naiintindihan, but as I grow older, mas naging mulat tayo with the different realities that we have. That's why I chose social work.
Words cannot express, pero all I just want to say is I'm so grateful to have them because I know that without them, hindi ko kayang mag-isa.
Having someone like friends, yung mga org mates, yung mga best friend ko na mga tumutulong sa akin sa mga ACADS and sa mga emotional support, they really help me throughout my journey.
Thank you po dahil sa inyo ako nakakakuha ng strength na magpursige pa din at mag-continue na magbutihan yung ginagawa ko.
Unang-una sa parents ko, etong araw na to hindi lang para sa akin, para sa kanila to kasi dito makikita yung hirap nila ng ilang taon. And sa mga friends ko na laging nandyan to help with my mental health.
I'm always grateful sa lahat ng mga sacrifices na binigay nila sa akin from their time. And of course yung talagang support, like general support, any types of support. Your life is about to change.
I recently learned the phrase or other sentence na there is grace in your downfall. Ini-equate yung downfall with failure, but we forget na in those failures and in those mistakes, there really is indeed grace, with the way, not how we fall, but the way we get up. Yung parents ko yung unang nagturo sa akin noon. And ngayon na nakapagtapos na ako ng college, I'm very grateful to my parents and of course to my friends, sa mga naging org ko even.
Ako, para sa kanya, congrats muna, happy for you. Kung ano lang yung gusto mo, support kami, nandito lang kami.
Siyempre, I'm so proud, siyempre. Dati ako masaya kami sa pamilya namin. I'm so proud of my son.
Etong batang to, talagang masunurin siya. Wala akong comment sa kanya pagdating sa pag-aaral. Pagdating lang niya sa pag-internship niya. Hanggang sa maabot niya talaga yung gusto niyang abutin sa buhay niya.
Sana gumanda ang buhay niya sa kabila ng paghihirap niya sa pag-aaral.
Sundin niya lang kung ano yung gusto niya. Basta maging mabuti siya sa ibang tao.
Maging matalino yung mga decision niya sa buhay. Kung ano man yung mga plano niya, humingi muna siya ng guide kay Lord.
Tuloy lang.
Reach your dream.
Just face life as it comes. Whatever it brings, face it head on. Huwag mong iiwasan, huwag mong tatalikuran. Face it head on.
It may have taken a while, but what's meant for you will find you. Once again, congratulations graduates of 2024. I am Mithiara Chuala, and this is Kumustahan 2024 Episode 2.